series on Nintendo 14 MIT called First Ident. In this series, we'll take a look at the first ident of many TV channels and programming blocks. And to kick off the series, because it's celebrating its 25th birthday this year, we'll be taking a look at Channel 5 programming block Milkshake. Specifically, the first ident, it's in the name of the series, is from 1997 all the way till the dawn of the new millennium in 2000. Now let's take a look at it. Interesting. In this ident, letters burst onto the screen. Then 2 straws are used to make the word milkshake with an exclamation mark after it. 3 bubbles pop, and that's the end. It's quite a short ident, but it's also very late 90s compared to other channels and what they were doing.
In conclusion, Milkshake started in 1997 as a programming block on Channel 5. Since then, it's evolved rapidly over the past quarter of a century, and I hope it continues to educate the minds of many British people in the future. I'm Nintendo 14, recording live from London, England, and this has been the first time ever First Ident. Bye!
Strong.